Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Yesterday, I gave you a comprehension passage for reading. This was the alchemy of nature. Meaning of alchemy has been given here. It is a type of chemistry that seeks to turn other matters into gold. Means we can, in simple words, we can say magic of nature. The passage is about that. Um, let us discuss the question answers which I gave you for doing. Who teaches us the following on the basis of this passage? Humility, we can say water. Water is very humble. It changes its shape according to the command of the sun. Wind, passion, trees. This is also written in the last paragraph that trees have a passion to enjoy. Combining strength with delicacy, this can be used for water also, as water is delicate, still it breaks the rocks, but especially it is written about spider webs, that they are very delicate but they are strong also. Then nature is the supreme artistic creation of God. Collect 3 examples from the alchemy of nature in support of this statement and write them in the space provided below. You can write any 3 examples of beauty of nature from the passage. For example, one can be, in winter season, trees become leafless, colorless, but when the spring starts, they become colorful again. They have leaves again. Then we can also write how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. That is also an art. So any 3 examples can be written here which you have liked. Same in the next question. You have to write values, moral values, lessons that you get from that you can learn from these features of nature. Like rocks show determination. Spiders show they are artists, they make beautiful webs. Oysters turn a simple grain into pearl. So we can learn helpful nature from the oysters. Stars shining, that we should always be happy. Then B7 is related to vocabulary. In your exams also, in comprehension, vocabulary part comes, but there it is a little easy as it comes with paragraph number, from which paragraph you will get the synonym or antonym of the word. But here it's not there, but one thing I can tell you, they are in sequence. So if you have really tried, you might have got it. Okay, see, for brilliance we have it on page 82. It is splendor. And then second, grand. For grand we have colossal. Then belief. For belief we have conviction, on the same page. These 3 answers are on the same page. Then for patience we have on the next page perseverance. For continuous we have the answer in the same paragraph, consistent. Okay, so that's all which I gave you. Now you will write 2 answers today. I am giving you 2 writing tasks today. One is B8. B8 is an article. This is the format of article which they have written. Title, nature a great teacher. Then by, you have to write your name here. Class, you have to write 8th class here. And then write down the qualities, the lessons which nature teaches us in this. And one more question, it is more or less same. B3, nature is a great teacher. It is a guide, friend, mentor and philosopher. Read the following passage to know about him. Okay, nothing is to be written here, so not 2, you are getting only 1 passage for writing, one question for writing. So write this, and tomorrow we will continue with the same unit. Thank you.